फ्रेंड्स, भारत के लिए वन अर्थ, वन फैमिली, वन फ्यूचर एक कमिटमेंट है।
Prime Minister Modi also addressed United Nations General Assembly here at the summit of his on the second day, and he also emphasized on the one family, one earth, one future. That is the motto of Prime Minister Modi, that to bring all stakeholders, all the countries together. And he all mentioned about the India, that what it has been working for the global south, also about the digital technology that should be a bridge, not the barriers. He also mentioned about the peace, that where the war-torn countries are suffering through, that there should be sustainable development that can be a successful model everywhere. So that he already emphasized on various parts that which the world is grappling with the different part and different issues is being discussed at this plenary. But most importantly, that Prime Minister Modi, he was more keen on bringing all those parties together and about the conflicts and other issues. You can hear his full speech. Almost it was around 4 minutes of his address that covered all those key points of the global issues.
मैं इसी 1/6 ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी की आवाज आप तक पहुंचाने यहां आया हूं। फ्रेंड्स, जब हम ग्लोबल फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं तो ह्यूमन सेंट्रिक अप्रोच सर्वप्रथम होनी चाहिए। सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को प्राथमिकता देते हुए हमें मानव कल्याण, फूड, हेल्थ सिक्योरिटी यह भी सुनिश्चित करनी होगी। भारत में 250 मिलियन लोगों को गरीबी से बाहर निकालकर हमने यह दिखाया है कि सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट कैन बी सक्सेसफुल। सक्सेस का हमारा यह अनुभव हम ग्लोबल साउथ के साथ साझा करने के लिए तैयार है। फ्रेंड्स, सक्सेस ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी lies in our collective strength, not in the battlefield.
Especially the digital and the peace building and the development, as well as the climate issues that he addressed and tried to cover in this short address.
Reform is the key to relevance. अफ्रीकन यूनियन को नई दिल्ली समिट में G20 की स्थायी सदस्यता इसी दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम था। वैश्विक शांति और सुरक्षा के लिए एक तरफ आतंकवाद जैसा बड़ा खतरा है तो दूसरी तरफ साइबर, मैरीटाइम, स्पेस जैसे अनेक संघर्ष के नए नए मैदान भी बन रहे हैं। इन सभी विषयों पर मैं जोर देकर कहूंगा कि ग्लोबल एक्शन मस्ट मैच global ambition.
But at the meantime, that I will also keep you updated from here, live here from United Nations headquarters from New York. That this is the media center that where we'll be covering each and every dignitaries, every prime minister, those who are addressing their own issues, especially focused to the global south also and the Middle East crisis. Either it may be the Ukraine or it may be the Palestine. That all those issues are being addressed, and also about Afghanistan. That is one issue that is already being discussed. That how the women education and the health issues are more important, especially to tackle in this current scenario. So I'll keep you updated live from this media center in United Nations headquarters.